Depression isn't just sadness, it's waking up tired of fighting the same battle every single day. It's losing interest in the things once you loved, but the truth is, you can beat it. Not overnight, but step by step. The first step: don't do it alone. Talk to someone, a friend, a therapist, anyone who will just listen. You don't have to explain everything, just open up. Silence makes depression stronger, talking weakens it. Second, move your body. Even when you don't feel like it, take a walk, stretch, breathe. Your body creates chemicals that literally fight depression when you move. And the third one, take back control with small routines. Wake up, eat, shower, step outside. Small wins build momentum, and the momentum changes everything. Start focusing on what's still good. Write down one thing you're grateful for each day, even if it's just, I made it through. Slowly, your mind starts to heal. Remember, you are not your depression. It's something you are experiencing, not who you are. And the fact that you're still here, still watching this, means you are already fighting back. You are stronger than you think. Keep going. The storm doesn't last forever. The sun will rise again.